It's April 14th, Tuesday morning. What I'm looking at is that the markets are gapping up right now. Yesterday, we started to see some potential for some upside. We took some calls. The market was making higher highs and higher lows, and so far the markets are continuing to show some crazy movements right now. If you look on the bottom right, we went from 686 from yesterday's close, and right now it's sitting at 688.12. I believe it was a little bit higher as well, but that's just where the current market's at right now. And I might just have to see some upside again, which is basically just calls. So if I go in the 15-minute time frame real quick, you can clearly see how the market was just uptrending, 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 all from last week or midweek last week into this week. Today's Tuesday, and that's just what the market is showing. So inside of Vault OS, we have alerted a chart where we found liquidity from a higher time frame. So if I zoom out just a little bit, you can see on the top left hand side that there is a trend line here where there is a money sign, which is this area here. So that money sign just means that there is stop losses and orders that could be liquidated. So in that liquidity area, I'm expecting the market to continue a little bit more because there is a valid supply that sits above, which is an imbalance / gap or FEG, whatever you want to call it. But that's what I want to use for a direction this morning. Could there be a pullback? Yes, there could be a pullback. But I want to wait the first 5 minutes of the market opening, and I want to see how I can look and place a trade. I'm going to use the Vault Trading Academy indicator, the supply and demand that we published inside the Vault OS, and I want to see how I can use that this morning to look for some upside. Yesterday, I was looking for some calls at the end of the day, but I didn't get a chance to. But the indicator found a demand zone yesterday afternoon, but I didn't take it. But it is what it is, and the market just started flying up to the upside yesterday afternoon. So that's why we're here right now. So let's go to a 5-minute time frame, and this is what we have right now. So far, this is on how it closed yesterday, and on this close, yes, we pumped up, but now the thing with this is that we're going to have more levels, meaning that the market's going to be up here somewhere right here. So the thing with that is I want to see a run up, a pullback, and then a run up again, okay? Or maybe just something like this. But I might just have to use the 5-minute into the 1 minute. So it's going to be something like this. 5-minute to the 1 minute time frame setups / entries, okay? So just like that, plain and simple. So I can mark out all the highs here, 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 and here. Awesome. So now, of course, when the market's open in about like 9 minutes, we're going to have something up there, right? Or wherever it opens. Right now it's at 687.97. I think the market's pulling back a little bit, but I want to see how we can find a entry based off of what we see here. Cool. So the market's about to open here in a couple seconds. I am ready. This is going to be a quick move, and I'm betting on the market to go up here. So 5-minute, 1 minute time frame. I got my plan risk. I know how much I can make today, and also I know how much I can lose today. But let's lock in. Let's see what we can do, and let's just see where the market opens. Awesome. So look at this. Markets are pumping right now. Let's go into 1 minute real quick. We have a clear demand down here, but I don't think we're going to come back down to here, but we'll see. And if it does, that's fine. But I want to see something that can shoot the market up. So right now we got a gap. Let's do that real quick. Gap, imbalance, whatever you want to call it. Higher high, higher low. Watch for that high. Perfect. Letting the market do what it wants, but I want to see if I can create another demand zone. So that's just what we're watching right now. Just this high. There we go. So I'm watching for calls. So I just got some calls here. Yeah, let's see how this plays out. But yeah, that indicator called out the demand zone. Right now I'm up 3%, nothing crazy. But yeah, I want to see if we can get a pump here. Up 6% right now, but I want to see like an impulse move. All right, I'm taking profits here. I'm taking profits here. Nice. Nice. A quick $400. That's all. That's what we do. Easy. Like I said, this indicator is no bullshit. It works. It really works. Now here is the update in real time. Look at this. Look at this. Amazing. This indicator would do it all for you. Draw your supply and demand zones. And you just got to wait for the pullback. That's it. And this is what we did this morning inside of the Academy. And if you want to be part of it, I'm doing a 7-day free trading challenge. Click the link down below and I'll see you inside. We have exciting things coming. Let's go.